You ready?
Yes, sir. Did you set the brake?
Yeah.
Would you like me to see if my jump pack will start it to get it in the garage?
I got power supply and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, this has an auxiliary. It has two batteries.
Right. The big one and the little one,
The
right?
little one, and I think the little one may be dead too. So I'm gonna disconnect that one and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's much better if they charge it, but I don't think the charge it hooked up. All right, brake off.
You have a beautiful place.
Thank you. Yeah, we've got the 4 acres if it's wooded back there on the fence there, and we haven't done anything with that yet. Too.
Yeah.
That's where I want the company to build a shop for me down there.
That'd be nice. All right, Mr. Sean, have I met your expectations?
Thank you very much, Jesse. Yes, you have. You've been great.
Very good.